Hello guys, let's talk today about how this Arlo camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi. It could be different problems here, but in this case it's just my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna show you how it works, how I can solve this problem, okay? So basically here I have this Arlo camera, this is the Arlo Essential. And here I have the app. It's here on the dashboard, and then when I come here to add a new camera, I add a new device here. I select camera. And then here I need to select the Essential series here. That's the camera that I have. And for this one, this is the button located on the bottom of the device, right? So I select it here. Essential Indoor, that's my camera. As you can see here, I have an Essential camera connected with cable. That's the camera that I have here. And here I just hit the continue, and I need to press the button here on the camera. Let me just do that. So here on the bottom of the camera, I can press it here. I just press once, and then there's this LED here that's blinking. Okay, so here we go. LED is blinking blue. And then I can continue here. Just click here. Just get some focus here. Here we go. And then continue again. And one more time. And here I need to connect a 2.4 gigahertz network. Okay. Make sure you have 2.4 gigahertz for your cell phone. So basically here, what I have is my cell phone. When I come here to the Wi-Fi and I select here, I see that I have my Wi-Fi. It's connected to my 2.4 network. I have different networks here. If I select it, right, then I select the 2.41. Just come back here and then hit continue. And here I need to enter the password for my Wi-Fi. The idea is that the camera is going to get this password so the camera can connect to my Wi-Fi router. And I'm just input the password here. So here we go. I have my password for the Wi-Fi. And then I just come here and click continue. Okay, so here I have the camera connected. I click next. It's blinking blue here. If it's not, I just need to press the button. That's the now I need to show this QR code to the camera. I'm just pointing here to the camera. Here we go. Okay, and then I hear this chime. And it's ready to go. Hit here, continue. And now it's looking for the camera, okay? The problem is here is that my camera doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi and stays in this state like forever. It stays for like a long time, and then I see the camera trying to set up again, okay? Starts the setup process again, and it doesn't connect. So this is the problem that I'm facing here with this camera, with this Arlo Essential. And what I have to do here is just connect to a new Wi-Fi or restart my Wi-Fi repeater. What I'm trying to connect here the camera to is to my Wi-Fi repeater. It's not directly to my Wi-Fi router, and that could be the problem, right? So if you have the same problem there, try to just restart your Wi-Fi repeater or your Wi-Fi router and try again. Or you can try to connect to a different Wi-Fi router, right? In my case here, it stays like that forever. It doesn't work at all. Then I need to connect to a different Wi-Fi, right? I'm not gonna wait here for it to finish because it stays forever that way and then give me an error. So let me just come back here and try again. Back again, and here I'm gonna change the Wi-Fi. Okay, so what I have to do here is just come here to my cell phone and select a new Wi-Fi. Let me just come here. Instead of this one, I need to select my router that I have here. That's the one for 2.4 gigahertz. I have two different signals here, one for 2.4, one for 5 gigahertz. I'm gonna select this one for 2.4. This is very important. And then now I know that I have the correct one here. Come back. Here we go. Back one more time. And then when I hit continue here, it gets my new Wi-Fi, right? Because it's getting the information from my cell phone. So let me just insert the password here again. Here we go. Now I have the new password. That's the one that's going to use to connect to my camera. And be aware that the camera is not blinking blue here, and I have to press that button here again. Let me just continue here first. Here we go. That's the information. Let's hit continue here and do this process, right? Let me just press the button here. Here we go. Now it's blinking blue, which is good. Just hit continue and need to read the QR code. Let me just do this again. Here we go. I hear this chime. Now it's blinking blue. Still, I hit continue here again. Now it's looking for the camera. Here we go. You see the camera doing something different here. It's closing the lens because it's about to connect. Okay, that happens with this camera. And here we go. Arlo camera found. Then I can name my camera. Just come here and put camera, whatever. Wait for it to connect again. It's checking for updates. And you see that it is blinking differently here. So it's updating the camera now, and it's basically working, you see? It's opening again here, the lens. It's getting some update. So now I just need to wait for the update to finish, and the camera is ready to go. So here we go. Position your camera. Let me just put the camera here in different position, pointing there. Was pointing to me before. Continue here and finish. Okay, just hit continue here. It shows me here. Finish again. Then I come here to the devices and I find my camera here. It shows the old image here when I was pointing to me. And now it's going to show the new image here. Just move my hand here. You see it takes a while to update. Here we go. There is a delay on this camera. That's normal for Arlo cameras. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi and connecting to the cloud. But it's basically working, okay? See, I remove my hand in front of the camera and it stays there for a while. But it's basically working, okay? So guys, that's a solution for this problem when the Arlo camera is not connecting to the Wi-Fi. You just need to connect to a new Wi-Fi. Like I did here, mine was connected to an extender, Wi-Fi extender, and then now I connected directly to my router, right? You can also restart your router and try again, and also restart your Wi-Fi extender and try again. Sometimes it works with different cameras, different Arlo cameras that can connect to my extender or my router, and this one can't for some reason, so I need to do this trick, right? Connect to different Wi-Fi or restart my Wi-Fi and try again, but always works, right? So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.